Hey guys, it's Brian from Motorsports. Today we are installing charge pipes on a 2018 BMW M3.
Just tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do when you're next to me.
So these new charge pipes are made of metal, unlike the stock ones which are plastic. They can flex and crack under boost, so we do not want that. This car currently has downpipes installed already, so this is kind of the next supporting mod to do, and then you could tune the car. So for the installation, you're going to want to remove the cross member brace that's made of carbon fiber. Next, the engine cover, just so you can access the bolts that hold on the charge pipes. And it is optional to remove the air box. I'm going to try not to remove it, but if I have to, obviously I will. But it looks like I can access the bolts to the charge pipes without removing it. So we have the OEM one off of the car. As you can see, diameter of the OEM one does get skinnier throughout the middle, and on the aftermarket VRSF, it maintains the same diameter throughout the whole pipe, therefore allowing more airflow. We removed the airbox to get better access because it turns out with the front charge pipe, the flange is kind of right in the way of the airbox. So you do have to remove that. It's very easy. It is just clamped in, so nothing major. But the process is done, so I'm just going to put everything back together and then the car can run. So I'm gonna do a little bit of driving and get on some boost just to make sure that the clamps are all secure. And when you get into boost, it does create some more air through the charge pipes. So therefore, I'm gonna test this to make sure everything's okay. So we just did a couple of pulls in the car. Everything seems fine, no check engine light. The car seems to be running like it's supposed to, so it's good to go. So that will do it for the installation of the charge pipes on the BMW M3. It was a fairly easy installation. All you really have to do is get the whole airbox out of the way and you can access the bolts a lot easier. These are VRSF and they did have a little bit of issues with touching the airbox and causing the airbox to be a little crooked. And also the engine cover does not completely seat down in the back because the charge pipes, the diameter is a little bigger, so therefore it is taller. So those are the issues we ran into with the VRSF charge pipes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Throw down a like and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for when we post new videos and you guys get notified. And I'll see you guys in the next video.